juicy steak. In the warm kitchen, Alex watched his father, a master of flavors, preparing to cook. Alex loved steak, and today, he was eager to learn. Dad, can you teach me? He asked, his eyes full of curiosity. Of course, Alex, his father replied with a smile. First, we choose the right steak. Feel its texture, he said, handing Alex a piece of meat. It was tender and firm. They seasoned it gently. Not too much, his father advised. Let the meat's natural flavor shine. Alex sprinkled salt and pepper, feeling like a true chef. Now we heat the pan, his father said. Always be careful. Hot oil can splatter. Alex nodded, understanding the importance of safety. As the steak sizzled, Alex's father shared a secret. Cook it on high heat, then let it rest. That's how it stays juicy. Alex watched, fascinated, as the steak cooked to perfection. They worked side by side, chopping vegetables for the salad. Cooking is about patience and love, his father said. Alex felt a warm bond growing, a connection beyond words. Finally, they sat down to eat. The steak was perfect, tender, juicy, and full of flavor. You did great, his father said, pride in his eyes. Alex realized it wasn't just about the steak. It was about sharing moments, learning from each other, and creating memories that would last a lifetime.